Alright, so now that we are finished connecting our domain name to our web host, they call it propagating. Now it's time that we install WordPress. So there are two ways actually. I'm gonna show you both. First, I am in my Interserver account. So scroll down and click log into CPanel, and it will lead you to this page. It's like the back end of your web host. So like I said, there are two ways. The first one is this. Scroll down on your control panel or CPanel. Look for the Softaculous Apps installer. Click the WordPress icon. There you go. And then install now. Now, the second option is to install it manually. To do that, you go back to your cPanel, scroll up, click File Manager. It looks like this. And then go to wordpress.org. Click Get WordPress. And then download the zip file here. Click Download WordPress. So once you download the zip file, you go back to File Manager, click Upload, and then upload the file. Now it doesn't end there because you're going to configure it, which is going to be very tricky. So we will just go with option A. So let me close this. Okay, and then go back to the Softaculous app installer. So let me, because I've done it earlier today, so let me remove the installation first so we can start over. Okay, and then return to overview. All right, and then we're gonna install again. So install now, and then scroll down. I'll just change my site name to Cherrie and Baliktar. Let's say description is content writing website. And then for now, I'll just use my name as the password. And then for the admin email, for now, let me just use my Gmail. Okay. Alright, so that's it. And then click install. Alright, so we're done. So when you click this, that's cherrieandbaliktar.com/WP. So this is our website. Alright, and then for the back end, this is the URL. Okay. Alright, so now we have WordPress. But I want to remove the WP on my URL or in my domain name. So I just want it to be cherrieandbaliktar.com. So I want to remove WP. How do we do it? Let's go back to cPanel. Click File Manager. And then open this folder, public HTML. So as you can see, there are two folders. Choose the one that says WP. Okay. We are going to remove all these files to the folder. So highlight everything. right click, move, and then just remove the WP and it will just go to public HTML. And then more file. Alright, so we have emptied the folder. As you can see, all the files are here. So the WP folder is now empty. So I can go back and delete it. Delete, confirm. Alright, so go back to CPanel. Let's see. Let's go to PHP My Admin. Okay. And then go to our database for cherryandbaliktar.com. Select options. Highlight options and click browse. Okay. And then we're going to edit site URL and home. So to do that, first just click edit. So we're going to remove WP here. Okay. And then click go. And then now we edit home. So again, that's click edit, remove WP, and go. Alright, so it's now just cherryandbaliktar.com. Okay, refresh. Refresh our file manager. And let's try to log in. So that's cherryandbaliktar.com/WP admin. Alright, so that's our back end. And then when I go to cherryandbaliktar.com, there it is. There's no WP at the end anymore. Alright, so next video I will teach you how to create the back end of your website, choose themes, and then go from there. See you in the next one.